I just recently found this mold here to make cinnamon stars, a Christmas treat here in my area. It is made of silicone and it comes in two parts, one for the cookie itself and the other part for the sugar coat. So I'm going to give it a try using melt and pour soap today. I will need to cut down the soap base in smaller chunks to make the melting faster and easier. Once the soap base is fully melted, I'm going to add some brown mica. Mine comes from a European company, but I left a link in the description for some Amazon versions good quality mica. Also in the description you will find links to all other ingredients and tools that I am using or recommending. I like to use a whisk to incorporate colorants in melt and pour. I'm happy with this rich brown, so I go ahead and add the fragrance oil. This one comes from a German company and it is the scent of the Christmas cinnamon cookie, Zimtstern. I give it another good mix again and then I pour it into the shallow star cavities. By the way, these pirate jugs are not only extremely heat resistant and almost unbreakable, but also super good for a smooth and steady pour. Now I'm leaving everything on the countertop to completely harden, while I am melting down a smaller portion for the sugar glaze, so to speak. The soap feels firm enough to support a layer on top now, and I'm going to add some titanium dioxide to the melted base that I premixed with warm water, but I will also add some glitter. I am just making sure that the top part is perfectly lined up, and I'm very curious to see if this actually works out. This is white glitter mica and I want just to give it a little additional pop and festive sparkle. I made a cold process soap version last year where I used a cookie cutter for the cinnamon stars, but I thought that there was too much waste. And this mold here could work out for cold process soap as well. I'm going to share some ways how to package these also in just a moment. But first, let's see how they turned out. Well, as you can see, some soap escaped, if that is the way to describe it, but there is an easy way how to correct it. If you don't have one of these tools here, you could also use a non-serrated knife and run it across the edges to clean it, or maybe even a potato peeler. Here are some Christmas soap labels I made, and the members of my Buy Me a Coffee page can go there and print it out for their own projects. I got these cute little self-sealable bags from Amazon There are so many options to choose from, and I left some links there for you to check out. Another possibility is this cellophane bag. Always remember to wrap melt and pour soap immediately into a shrink wrap or a cellophane bag, because otherwise it will attract moisture from the environment and start to sweat. I add a cute ribbon and voila! If you are interested in other soap making related videos, you can check out the playlist on the screen where you can find many more. Feel free to subscribe and see you next time. Bye!